Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Developer Tools right where the page is visible. Once done, activate the element picker and click the part you want to edit. Make sure to verify the node appears in the Elements panel and check if it lives inside an iframe or shadow DOM, otherwise edits won't apply. You should also switch to the correct device toolbar if you need mobile styles. This first step gives you direct DOM access, so you can see structure, classes, ID, and inline styles immediately. You will now make live edits to HTML and CSS to test changes fast. Edit text or attributes inline by double-clicking or using Edit as HTML and watch the page update instantly. This is for prototyping only. Then, switch to the Styles pane to add or override rules, create a new rule, toggle properties, and experiment with 0, 5's transitions, or color values. If needed, run small JavaScript snippets in console, using $0 to reference. Finish by preserving work. Copy your modifications into the actual source code or configure workspaces to save edits directly to disk. Make sure to test a full page, reload, and review the network and sources panels so you understand where files are served from. If edits disappear or have no effect, check caching, disable browser extensions, and inspect content security policy or server-side rendering that may overwrite client changes. One key tip: open DevTools with caching disabled to reproduce persistent behavior before committing edits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.